Well, we've actually got two of these May pattern cake serving plates, quite a few trios in this same design. Nice antique hand decorated design this. From the Arcadian range made by the manufacturer. It's actually a transfer print in grey and white, which is then hand coloured in the pinks and reds and hand gilt application around the handle. So 9.5 inch. Gives the impression of a square cake plate, but really it's a very rolling, irregular scalloped rim with eared handles and a slightly squared off cornered square central portion. Not a particularly deep cake plate, so could take a whole cake, but more akin for sandwiches, buns, or pastries as opposed to anything else. It's in really nice condition, good gilt retention, a little bit of feathering just occasionally as you'd expect on an antique piece around it, but the two, not a lot to choose between them in terms of condition, both nice and bright with good retention of the hand decoration, and a very pretty combination of white, pinks, greys and that gilt. Really pops nicely. So do pop across to the website on the description link below and do a search if you're looking for teacups trios in this particular pattern. Then they're also on the website as we speak and available currently. I'm just listing, I think, 7 trios that are going into stock. Thanks for watching.